WGN's Brona Tumulty is here with the latest on the negotiations. Brona.
Good evening, guys. Yeah, negotiations have seemingly stalled between the hospital and SEIU Healthcare. The union says they are in the midst of a staffing crisis, adding that the hospital also lags in terms of wages in spite of millions allocated in state funding to address recruitment. For those reasons and others, they are planning to picket tomorrow morning.
The strike will start tomorrow morning.
It's full steam ahead for 7 a.m. on Monday morning, when 200 workers at Loretto Hospital will walk off the job.
We're hoping that the hospital will do right by patients and employees.
That includes mental health workers, radiology technicians, even housekeepers, who claim they're underpaid and understaffed, with a turnover rate reportedly at 60%.
People don't stay because they are not investing in the staff in a real way.
That's according to Erica Blandro-Simi, Executive Vice President of the Healthcare Union, adding they need familiar faces for their patients.
Most of the people who show up in the ER are actually people who show up and are experiencing a mental health issue or crisis. And so those people need to see somebody who's familiar to them.
Has the hospital made any concessions? Like, have they offered anything?
It's been very slow on their end.
We're told some pay raises and additional personal days have been offered by the hospital, but it's just not enough.
During the pandemic, we told workers that they were heroes and that they deserved everything. And now here we are in a moment where that can actually be honored with a contract that workers have every right to negotiate. And management is not showing that same respect or sentiment in these negotiations.
And an 11th hour agreement seems unlikely.
Employees understand their value and they're really willing to call the hospital to accountability at this time. So we're out for as long as it takes.
Now, in a statement tonight, the hospital told us in part that they made another counteroffer today that addresses recruitment and retention concerns, including new starting rates and up to a 3-year cumulative 12% wage increase for current team members. Loretto Hospital also agreed to the Juneteenth holiday request. We are hopeful that the latest sustainable proposal will lead to a new collective bargaining agreement. Now, if that is accepted overnight or in the morning, perhaps the strike can be stalled, and if not, those 200 workers will start picketing at 7 a.m. Live in the newsroom, Brona Tumulty, WGN News.